Friction-type PVD machine solves overseas challenges. Tekong Island Ground Improvement, Singapore. Major land reclamation in NW Singapore waters. 800 ha new land for 9 million in area. Zoned for military use. Free Mainisland land for housing and business. 4 major construction challenges. Ultra-soft hydraulic-filled silt, harsh conditions. Strict on-site height restrictions. Deep soft soil requires ultra-deep PVD installation. Scarce sand resources. High costs. SUNZO Foundation customized solution. Patented friction-type PVD driving machine. Solves height limit, ultra-deep and ultra-soft problems. Low center of gravity, safe and stable. Friction drive. No chain or rope breakage. Compatible with small excavators. Standard depth, 70 meters. Telescopic type, over 80 meters. Vacuum pipeline reaches deep soft soil. Energy saving, sand-free construction. Eco-friendly ground improvement. Core patents and proven construction tech. Project completed on schedule. Highly recognized by Singapore HID and Pub. September 8, 2025. Main works officially completed. If you have any PVD construction projects for soft ground improvement, please follow SUNZO for construction solutions and quotations.